Blueprint Studio, or BPS, our go-to software for 3D printing with HeyGears UltraCraft Reflex Series. It's all about simplifying the 3D printing process with features like slicing, job measurement, and device control. Here in HeyGears, we are on a mission to make 3D printing more accessible and reliable for makers and creators, empowering them to turn ideas into reality with ease. July 2023 marked a milestone with UltraCraft Reflex launch and the debut of Blueprint Studio for desktop. This version packed local slicing, print job remote transfer, and real-time device monitoring. On this stage, our goal is to streamline pre-processing to make 3D printing more friendly and reliable for all, whoever is new to resin 3D printing or not, ensuring top-notch results with ease. Pre-supported models are hit in 3D printing. They save time, but sometimes they have flaws that can mess up the prints. We tackle this by adding the Ultra Repair feature. It's part of our one-click print process, fixing defects and boosting success rate. BPS also smartly matches models with the right image processing strategy for higher print quality, including anti-aliasing and blurring for smooth surfaces, as well as adaptive decomposition for better assembly accuracy. Besides, we tailor 3D printing strategies to resin types and application needs, updating them regularly for the best results. By the end of this September, we have updated over 900 print packages, averaging one package update every 2 days. Additionally, for resin 3D printing newbies, BPS provides a printability feature. It spots potential issues like trick structures such as section cups, thin wall structures. Also, it offers solutions like adding holes or holding out parts. Since its launch, Blueprint Studio has seen monthly updates. By this September, it had 10 major upgrades with 20 mind tricks, streamlining the pre-processing and making it more efficient. So we're proud to unveil the version 2 of Blueprint Studio this September, a giant leap forward in making it smarter and more user-friendly. HeyGears is continually expanding the horizons of resin 3D printing, catering to both the pros and the team users, ensuring everyone can effortlessly utilize the power of this technology. In this update, we have restructured the software architecture, boosting its speed and efficiency. The overall processing time is cut by a third for tasks like opening projects, managing layouts, generating supports, and slicing. For pro users, we have revamped the manual support feature, giving the full freedom to tweak every aspect of each support, including the contact points, the tips, and the connections, to be customized as they want. And for teams and small businesses, we have launched the team feature, allowing up to 5 members to collaborate on the same printer, send slicing files, and check print job in real time. In the future, we will keep enhancing this feature for seamless data sharing within the team, especially the project data. Plus, for those who prefer offline use, we have introduced the non-login mode, allowing them to slice without internet connection. This December, we will bring a major update to our support and slice features with equivalent upgrade for the auto support that enhances overhangs for the layout, the elongated structures, and opens up more parameters for the raft. For instance, regarding overhanging edges, the new algorithm can provide better support with fewer support points. For pro users, with the new feature of customer support configurations, users can save their support parameters as a profile for future reuse. And with the remote printing, users can start a print job on Reflex from anywhere. We are also introducing a new method for handling suction cups. It will detect suction cups and accordingly adjust motion parameters to minimize print issues. With continuous iteration and innovation, HeyGears is empowering users to bring their creativity to life and streamline product manufacturing. We are committed to exploring new applications across industries, offering digital manufacturing solutions that meet the needs of makers and creators. In the design and the manufacturing of earphones and cables, we are redoubling our efforts to streamline processes and enhance intelligence, while keeping print quality and production efficiency at the forefront. For engineering fields and specialty materials, we are developing more targeted features such as Boolean functions, that is designed for elastomers, and FEA simulations to meet the specific needs. For small batch production, we are working on film management and print job scheduling over local area network. Also, we are exploring the integration of AI with pre-processing to unlock new possibilities. The user input and feedback are the driving forces that prompt us to continuously improve. If you have any questions or suggestions, reach out to us through Blueprint. Together with you, HeyGears is excited to shape a smarter 3D printing landscape for the future.